Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a DESTASH for you guys. It's going to be US only, PayPal only, friends and family only. My information will be down in the description box. So send me an email with which ones you're interested in and I will send you back my PayPal information. Please pay promptly, otherwise I'll have to go to the next person in line. It's first come, first serve. Okay, here we go. So this first one is going to be the two of these. The Barbers Daisy. These are both brand new, never used, and they are going to be $8 for the set plus shipping. Okay, so if you're interested, it'll be these two plus shipping. And the next one will be this Bobunny set called Festive Emoji, and this one will be $4 plus shipping. Okay, next I have some CC designs, and I'm listing each one individually, and so you'll have to tell me the name of the item, of the items you want. This first stack is going to be a used stack, and they're going to be $3.50 each plus shipping. So the first one is Robyn. She's been used. She's $3.50 plus shipping. The next one is called Aimee Valentino, $3.50 plus shipping. So the rest are $3.50 plus shipping until I tell you that it's changed. This next one is Fashionista Heidi. The next one is Birgitta Snowheart. The next one is Snowflake. The next one is Snowballed Heidi. The next one is Munster Eli. The next one is Cream Birgitta. The next one is Chillin Out. And then it says some of my favorite friends are flakes. So it's 2. The next one is Nipper. The next one is Jack. And the last one is Frankie. And those CC designs were $3.50 plus shipping. Okay, this next amount is going to be $4 plus shipping. So you'll have to tell me the name of the ones you're interested in. This first one is Teeny Bikini. This next one is called Margarita Time. $4 plus shipping, brand new. The next one is Little Witch Lucy. The next one is Ice Cream Birgitta. The next one is Hawaiian Birgitta. The next one is called Hang 10. The next one is called Siblings. The next one is called Bumblebee. The next one is called School Lucy. The next one is called All Wrapped Up. The next one is called Cow and Pig. The next one is called Pumpkin Birgitta. And she's been cut, but she hasn't been used yet. This next one is called Coco Nancy. The next one is called Beach Ball Birgitta. The next one is called Let's Swim. And the last one is called Pirate Henry. So send me an email with which ones you're interested in, and I will send you a total back. And just please pay promptly. I appreciate it. PayPal only, friends and family only, and US only. Love you guys. Bye.